The skin of our scalp sheds dead cells to regenerate new ones, which generally takes about 3 to 4 weeks. Dandruff is a condition where the skin sheds dead cells at an abnormally higher rate. This leads to a collection of white to yellowish white flakes on the scalp. What causes abnormal shedding of the skin is a minor infection of the scalp caused by an overabundance of a fungus called P.Ovale, also known as malassezia. Dandruff and itchiness is basically our immune system reacting to the infection. Let us look at some of the home remedies that inhibit the growth of this fungus and restore the normal pH balance of the scalp. Take 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Add an equal amount of water to this. Add about 15 to 20 drops of tea tree essential oil. Mix this well. Apply this on your scalp and massage it gently. Rinse your hair after 15 to 20 minutes. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. The apple cider vinegar restores the pH balance of the scalp, thereby inhibiting the growth of yeast-like fungus that causes dandruff. Elements such as calcium, magnesium and potassium present in apple cider vinegar also contribute to healthy scalp. Take about 4 cups of water in a vessel. Add a handful of fresh margosa or neem leaves to this. Boil this for about 10 minutes. Once this cools down to room temperature, strain and rinse your hair with this mixture. Use this remedy twice or thrice a week. The antiseptic and antibacterial properties of neem help to treat dandruff by stopping the growth of fungus that causes dandruff. Make sure to keep your scalp clean. Oil your hair every alternate day and wash it off well with a shampoo. Take care. Hi, hope you liked the video. Write in your comments below and let us know what you think. Do subscribe to Homeveda to stay updated with our new videos and to join our nature-loving user community.